You think dates are just picked and packed? Think again. Every fruit in this factory survives scorching heat, high-pressure washing, precision pitting, and glossy finishing, all with surgical-level accuracy. Stick around, because the secrets behind these tiny golden fruits are more high-tech and astonishing than you could ever imagine. It all begins in the sun-drenched palm groves, where only the perfectly ripe dates are hand-selected. One day too early and the sugar isn't right. One day too late and the fruit spoils. But the journey from grove to tray is only the start of the precision story. Once inside the factory, machines and humans work in perfect harmony. Optical sensors scan every fruit for size and color. Robotic arms handle the delicate dates at incredible speed, and pitting machines remove seeds without crushing a single fruit. Some dates are even filled with nuts or coated to a glossy perfection, a process so exact that one mistake can ruin an entire batch. From high-pressure washing to controlled drying, from sorting and grading to packaging, and finally to climate-controlled storage, every step is engineered for perfection. By the end of this video, you'll understand the incredible journey and the human and technological expertise behind each date, and you'll never look at these tiny golden fruits the same way again. Vast sun-drenched palm groves stretch for miles, rows of palms glowing under the desert sun. Workers inspect each tree carefully, looking for perfectly ripened date clusters. Skilled farmers climb ladders and use harnesses to hand-cut each bunch delicately. Baskets catch the fruit gently, preventing any bruising or damage during harvesting. Mechanical shakers are used in larger groves to loosen clusters without harming them. Every date is visually inspected, ensuring only firm, golden brown fruit is collected.
Even before the factory, the journey of perfection begins. One misstep here and the entire batch could be compromised.
Baskets of freshly harvested dates are loaded onto ventilated trucks in the early morning. Trucks move carefully through desert roads to prevent heat or movement damage. Workers double-check crates for crushed or overripe dates before departure. Upon arrival, forklifts unload crates onto the receiving conveyor inside the factory. Hand inspections remove any damaged or underripe dates that might have been missed. The fruit is staged for the washing process, keeping the delicate dates intact.
Timing is critical. Even a few hours can change sweetness, texture, and quality.
Dates are fed onto conveyors entering industrial washing machines. High-pressure jets remove dust, sand, and sticky residue without damaging the fruit. Rotating brushes scrub the surfaces gently to ensure thorough cleaning. Multiple rinse cycles guarantee purity while maintaining delicate texture. Air drying tunnels remove excess water and prepare the fruit for sorting. Workers manually remove shriveled, damaged, or deformed dates.
Every droplet matters. Even a small mistake here affects flavor and shelf life.
Conveyor belts pass the dates through optical sensors for color, size, and shape. Robotic arms separate premium fruit from standard grade dates. Workers manually inspect for firmness, texture, and overall quality. Standard or imperfect fruit is redirected for secondary processing. Premium dates are placed in separate trays for the next stage. Conveyor systems ensure smooth, continuous, and precise movement.
Only the perfect dates survive. One wrong selection, and the batch is ruined.
Dates enter precision pitting machines, slicing along natural grooves to remove seeds. The machines handle each fruit delicately to prevent crushing. Some dates are filled with almonds, pistachios, or other nuts in a controlled process. Workers monitor machines, removing any damaged or misfilled dates immediately. Conveyors carry the pitted or filled dates toward drying or glazing stages. Sensors and cameras ensure no crushed or malformed fruit continues.
The tiniest mistake here can ruin the batch. Perfection is mandatory.
Dates enter low-temperature drying tunnels to remove excess moisture evenly. Fans and air circulation ensure uniform dehydration without over-drying. Sensors continuously monitor humidity, temperature, and airflow. Workers sample dates, checking softness, stickiness, and sugar consistency. Conveyor belts carry the dates toward the next stage after drying. Excess moisture is carefully removed to preserve flavor, texture, and shelf life.
Even a single degree difference can alter sweetness. The process is precise down to the smallest detail.
Premium dates are fed into spinning drums for a thin, food-grade coating. The glaze adds a glossy, visually appealing finish without making them sticky. Workers inspect the coating for uniformity and consistency. Conveyor belts transport the coated dates toward packaging. Sensors detect imperfections and remove defective pieces. Dates move in perfect alignment, maintaining their shape and shine.
Perfection is measured in details so small you might not even notice. Yet they matter immensely.
Automated machines place dates into trays, boxes, or vacuum-sealed packs precisely. Labeling machines add brand information, production date, and batch numbers. Robotic arms stack boxes efficiently onto pallets. Workers inspect packs for weight, sealing, and presentation. Forklifts move the pallets to storage without damaging the fruit. Conveyor lines continue running in perfect synchronization.
Every tray is engineered for perfection. Even the fastest machines work with care.
Packaged dates are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain freshness. Temperature and humidity are constantly monitored for optimal preservation. Barcodes track inventory for precise distribution and shipment. Forklifts move pallets to loading docks for trucks. Trucks depart for supermarkets and distributors worldwide. Workers verify the integrity of every shipment to prevent spoilage.
From desert sun to your table, the journey of perfection continues until the very last moment.
Every single date survives scorching heat, high-pressure washing, precision pitting, and glossy finishing with surgical accuracy. Human expertise and industrial technology combine at each step to ensure that the fruit you hold is flawless in texture, flavor, and appearance.
The washing, drying, sorting, filling, glazing, and packaging are all engineered with meticulous care. That's the astonishing secret behind these tiny golden fruits. From sun-drenched palms to your table, every date tells a story of precision, care, and technology. What seems like a simple fruit is actually a masterpiece engineered to perfection. The next time you bite into a date, you'll know the incredible journey behind it. If you loved uncovering these hidden processes, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss the secrets behind the foods you eat every day. And remember, once you see how it's made, you'll never look at dates the same way again.